Alright people, this is what I got put up with today. I'm just showing you my garage full of junk. Can't wait to use you, little buddy. My new lawn tractor, I used it twice. But look, it's spring. The last day of March, the 31st today. And I just made a trail with the snowblower. Holy crap, there's 2 feet of snow. 1.5 feet. And the best thing is, it's still snowing. So, unreal. Well, we're gonna go play with the snowblower. Show you the results after. We got some 4-wheel drive. We'll go right through that bank, hopefully. Alright.